my name's Erin. I'm not a fashion influencer, stylist, or anything like that. I'm just a normal girly who loves fashion and clothes. I am so excited about so many of the spring summer trends. There's some really fun colors and silhouettes that are popular right now. I just thought I would have fun, play dress up, and style up some of the spring summer trends. These are going to be a bit more, I think, normal outfits, at least for me. I do tend to wear very colorful, girly outfits, so be warned, but I'm gonna try and style some things that I'm also not very comfortable with as well. Ultimately, I'm just gonna have fun styling, playing with the clothes I already own in my wardrobe. I'm not gonna buy any new pieces just to fit the current trend cycle. I never buy anything just based off of trends. If things that I like are currently popular, that's wonderful, makes it easier to find for me. But I would encourage everyone to just try to stick to your own personal style rather than buying things because everyone else is wearing them. I already own a bunch of things that fit with the current trend cycle. I think a lot of people will, so just go to your wardrobe, go to your closet, and have fun styling some stuff up with me. Okie dokie, so the first trend we're styling is a vest or waistcoat. I have a couple, but this one's probably my favorite. It's just a red wool vest from J.Crew, and you can style vests in literally any way. I think they're such a versatile piece because you can layer them or you can wear them on their own as a top. Anyway, before I get too much into rambling, let's put on the outfit. Hi, baby. Okay, I think this is probably the easiest way to style, just wearing it as a top. Anyway, I just paired it with this black wool mini skirt. It's just a classic little black skirt. It's also J.Crew, actually. And I'm wearing red socks, like crew socks. They're not a perfect color match, but I don't really care. And we're gonna add my white Sam Edelman loafers. I also think like a chunky dad sneaker would look cute here. Oh my gosh, Suko. Or Sambas, whatever, sneakers. I don't own any of those, but a lot of people do. It would be cute. The obvious styling choice is probably my favorite purse that I own. It's this little cherry print Coach bag. Cherry print is also very in, but then it ties in the white of the loafers. And this is a really simple, cute, kind of basic outfit, but I think it's fun. I've also worn this, not exact, but almost exact outfit before, layering a button down under the vest. Does this kind of make you look like a waiter? Maybe. Do I care though? No. I just think it's a really classic, kind of preppy combo. You could also do little slingbacks. I know slingbacks are super popular right now, but they're my favorite kind of heel. I just think they're a lot more comfortable than typical heels. If you're like me, and most people, one foot is going to be slightly bigger than the other. And so I find that normal heels don't feel as comfortable or well fitted because of that on me. Whereas slingbacks, you know, because of the sling back, are a little bit more forgiving. These ones are my favorite heels I own. They're just Charles & Keith, like pretty affordable fake leather shoes. Oh, but they're so precious. They're a bit over the top, very ultra feminine with the bows, the pointed toes, and I love that. Okie dokie, so these are the little girly vest outfits and kind of a red trend styling. Red is still a very popular look right now and trending color. There's a lot of color trends in general this season, which I'm all for because they're colors I really like. Okay, I know I said I was scared to buy into the whole polo shirt, rugby shirt, preppy trend because I was afraid I would look like a 12-year-old boy. But I do actually already own a little rugby sweater. I've had this for a few years. It's from Urban Outfitters. We're gonna ignore the popcorn butter stain. This does need to be washed. I wasn't gonna wash it for a video though. And so this is kind of styling that preppy rugby polo shirt trend, but also the, I don't know what Vogue called it, but the juxtaposition between preppy and sporty, like athletic prep, I think is maybe what they called it. And I mean, this is just a simple styling tool where you take two very opposing aesthetics and combine them together. I do think it's fun, like pairing feminine and masculine styles or preppy and athletic wear. I can see it, it's cute because it seems very intentional. I just paired my little rugby sweater with a pair of Adidas athletic shorts. I love these, they're such a fun color. I love yellow and blue, which are two of the trending colors this season. Makes my little color-loving heart so happy. So to really play into the whole casual athletic style, which is so not usually me, but I'm actually really liking this. It's very comfortable. I'm just gonna put on my Adidas, I think they're the Stan Smiths, I don't know. And they're just super comfortable. These are the things that get me through traveling, long days at work. I love these things. I do need to wash them, but I'm too lazy. Do you want to know what would make me look more like a child? A bucket hat. I know these aren't super popular or trendy anymore like they were a few years ago, but I don't care because they're practical. I am a pale little vampire child. I think we can all tell by the glowing pale skin of my legs, and I need sun protection. So hats it is. This one I got at Urban a couple of years ago, 3 years ago, I don't know, time is meaningless post-COVID. And it has little butterflies on it. And I do wear this, and I do wear it to the beach and outside. I don't want skin cancer, thank you very much. I totally look like a 12-year-old or like an actual toddler. I'm okay with it. I'm okay with that. But here's our little athletic prep style look. Okie dokie, the blue and yellow inspired me. I wore this combo like 2 weeks or something ago. You know, I wore it on the eclipse. And I just loved this outfit. I think yellow and blue, yes, they're trending, but they're just a great combo. They're fun. And this is also playing into another trend of long skirts, maxi midi skirts. They're everywhere. I'm all for it. I love a long skirt. It makes me feel like a princess. This one is from Reformation, and yes, it has pockets, which makes it the best thing since sliced bread. And this is also Reformation, actually, this little yellow top. And a lot of people are leaving their shirts out and not tucking them in, French tucking anything right now. I think it's because of the peplum trend, the long line trend. I like it. I do think it creates a really nice silhouette. And some of the shirts coming out are so cute. Yes, peplum may scare some people because we were all scarred 10 years ago when it was last popular in the 2010s, but the versions now, I think they're really cute. See, trends always come back around, but they're done in slightly different ways every time. I don't know if I'd want to do loafers again or my dirty, crusty ballet flats. Okay, I don't know. I think they're both fine. I'm gonna stick with the ballet flat for now. Another huge trend, I actually would love to get another pair. They're just so comfortable, so easy to throw on. Honestly, you could really style this up, but I'm not sure I want to. I think it's cute enough just on its own. And I don't want to add too many layers just because we already have such a long statement skirt that if I start adding jackets and scarves and vests, I don't know, it's gonna be too over the top. Next up, we're styling a white dress because all the fashion magazines are saying white dresses are in. I'm wondering when they weren't in. I mean, everything can trend. People sometimes say, oh, a color isn't a trend or a classic staple isn't a trend, but anything rising in popularity is trending. I don't know how I feel about this being called a trend though. It's a white dress. Everyone at some point is going to wear a white dress. This is actually the only one I own. It's more of a cream because an all white, stark white dress on me, I think I would fade into oblivion. So I think cream is a little bit better. This is also one of my most comfortable dresses. It's from Urban like ages ago. And I wanted to style this in a way I haven't really before, trying to make it a bit more casual. So I don't know if this is gonna look right, but I'm gonna throw on an oversized t-shirt and see how that looks. I don't really own an oversized t-shirt because I don't wear a lot of t-shirts in general. Why do I own so many? Don't know. But I do have a boyfriend who's over 6 feet tall, so his t-shirts are oversized on me. I'm just gonna wear this one. It's his Nirvana t-shirt, and yes, I do know Nirvana songs. I kind of like this, actually. This is different for me. I don't usually go for the layered, oversized vibe, but this is nice. This is comfy. And it definitely makes it a little bit more casual. You know, you're taking this flowy, girly dress, pairing it with a casual t-shirt. It's a nice juxtaposition like we were talking about earlier. To add to that, I'm gonna throw my ballet flats on again. Okie dokie. We have the ballet flats, and I'm gonna add my beret that I got in Paris. And I have never in my life ever imagined I would get my head measured, but they measure your head for your beret and fit it to you. Okay, I love this. I love berets. I know they're so kind of cheesy and corny, but I think they're fun. I definitely need a bag or something. I think maybe this blue looks a bit better. Okie dokie. This is the look. You know what? I say okie dokie a lot. A lot. And my boyfriend and I are watching the Fallout show on Amazon Prime. I never played the video games, my boyfriend did. I just like the show so far. I think we're 3 episodes in. And the main girl character, Lucy, she's from The Vault, and she says okie dokie a lot. And I was like, oh my god. I say that all the time, and she says it in such funny scenarios. You have to watch it. I mean, I can't guarantee the show is lore accurate to the video games since I never played them, but as someone who just likes watching good TV and movie content, so far, I really like Fallout and I would recommend it. Are you playing with your toy? Are you so cute and happy? He is the most precious little baby angel ever. Listen, I try not to be a hater. I don't like to yuck anybody else's yums. If you love something, you do you. That's lovely. But the whole boxer short as outerwear, like wearing them in public thing, I don't think I get it. It's just kind of the antithesis to everything I think I am in my own personal style. And these aren't actual boxer shorts, right? They're PJ shorts that are in that boxer style with the buttons and the tab. I feel like I look and I feel half dressed because I am. It's like I had to run out the door halfway through getting dressed in the morning. And, I thought let's pair it with, a kind of fancier, cool top, because then it won't make the shorts or like the boxers seem as casual, but it's not working. I don't know. It's not working for me. Maybe it works on other girls, on cool girls, on Scandi girls, but I am not one that anyone would call cool. I'm just not, and I'm fine with that. I mean, we can try loafers and see if this looks like an actual outfit. It doesn't look like a real outfit I would wear out in public. I don't think I'm doing it right, but I also just don't think it's for me. Yeah, even with something super formal and buttoned up like this jacket, it doesn't work. Maybe it's just me. It's just me. Everyone online looks so cute on Pinterest and Instagram wearing their little boxers. Not me. No. See, this is much more me. Over the top, kind of retro, extremely colorful. I can't pull off the whole casual cool girl thing because I'm not a casual cool girl. I am an over the top, colorful girly girl. Anyway, this is another like maxi skirt styling video. This one is one of my most prized possessions. It's a Tory birch skirt, again with pockets. This is also the perfect outfit to wear my trench coat with. I wear this so much. I bought this last year. It's the first trench coat I've ever owned, and when my boyfriend saw it, he said that it was like if I were physically transformed into a trench coat, because a beautiful classic trench is perfect, so chic, timeless. But this one, it's more me because it has a fun twist. It has these gorgeous little scalloped trims. We have them in beige, baby blue, red, and baby pink. It's just a little cute touch on a classic staple piece. It's from Sister Jane, and I get more compliments on this in the year I have owned it than I have on maybe anything I own in my wardrobe. Like every time I wear this out, someone asks me about it because it's just so cute. Trench coats are trending. Again, they're always trending, but you can find a lot of cool ones on the market right now. For example, Reformation has this leather burgundy trench coat that if I had the money to splurge on, I totally would. But also, it's totally something I could see Buffy from Buffy the Vampire Slayer wearing. Fashion icon. That entire show, the outfits, immaculate. But I also just think trench coats, they look good with an over-the-top, super feminine look like this, but they also just look good with jeans and t-shirts. They're easy to throw on. This is like the epitome of my style. I feel like I've never been able to pull off the whole denim on denim thing, no matter how many times it's trended and come in and out of style. I don't know. I don't know. This is my best effort, and I don't think it's succeeding. So skirt is Reformation, and I've had this Levi's denim vest maybe for 10 years. I definitely wore this when I was like 14 in high school, and I just turned 24. So yeah, this is about 10 plus years old. And I would style it a lot differently than I did back in the day. Let me insert a picture. I think I have one of me wearing this when I was 14-ish. Bad. The cat ears, the sunglasses, the I don't know what that was. But modern day me, I think there's a reason I kept this around. I think I could still work with this, but I don't know about the whole double denim thing. Okay, at first I thought the knee-high black boots would be the move because I love wearing these boots and tights with this skirt in the winter. But I kind of think I look ridiculous right now, so we're moving on from this. I don't know how I feel about this. I just maybe think it isn't for me. I don't know, but part of playing with trends and playing dress up as an adult is just seeing what works, what doesn't work, and you can try it in a different way at another point. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. I just have my burgundy Converse on. Yes, I do own more than one pair. I told you I'm gonna be a Converse girly until the day I die. And then I never actually carry this purse. It was my aunt's, and it's just very 2000s. I think it's a little Burberry burgundy patent leather moment. I don't know, but I kind of feel like maybe it fits this weird vibe that's going on. I don't know. I think this is the best it's gonna get. A jacket would be cute. Oh my god. Could you imagine? Look at all this jean. Look at all the denim. Why do I kind of like it? Objectively, this is bad, right? All the denim, all the ridiculousness. But a part of me thinks if I saw this on the runway, I'd be intrigued. Not to say it's good, but intrigued. Then we have a corduroy blazer. This is so ugly that it's cute. It's very preppy. It's Ralph Lauren, of course. I don't like this with this. Yeah, no. But it's fun to try things. Okay, I think that's where we're gonna leave it. I'm getting hungry and tired. I need a cup of tea. I want to sit down, read my book. It's such a beautiful spring day out, and that's where I'm gonna leave you. Well, that brings us to the end of the video. I had so much fun attempting to style some of these current spring summer trends. It's just fun to play dress up as an adult and style things that you already own potentially in new ways. Really encourage and recommend everyone go look in their closets, try playing with their clothes, seeing how they can style them, how they could fit the current trends if that's something you're into. Do that before you go out and buy new stuff to fit the trends.